Up first this evening, operations at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James were disrupted this morning after smoke was detected at a section of the building. This forced occupants to evacuate a section of the airport sometime after 10 o'clock. The fire brigade and the emergency response service were called in to conduct checks. Commercial Development and Marketing Manager at Sangster International Airport, Sharon Hislop Holt, spoke with our news center.
During that time when the inspections were being carried out, no one was allowed to access the post-security area. So that's the security checkpoint. Nobody was allowed there. And in keeping with the emergency response procedure, persons in the vicinity of that area were evacuated. Based on the preliminary assessment, it appeared that the smoke originated from some electrical wires which are in an area being demolished in the vicinity of the ticketing concourse. And there were no reports of injuries to anyone or any damage to the building.